Hey, if you want to reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE without using the application, like for example you are using iPhone or Android devices and you don't really need that application. So first of all, you will have to start by opening Bluetooth settings on your device. Go to the connected devices and make sure that you have simply disconnect this device from your phone. So I'm gonna actually unpair them right now. Also, you will have to switch off the Bluetooth on your device. And now you will have to grab that charging case. There we go. Now you will have to simply make sure that both earbuds are inside, that you have opened that charging case. Now you will have to click and hold that pairing button and wait until this indicator starts blinking in the 3 different colors. Now you should actually close this charging case and wait until indicator disappear. So it will take around a few seconds. And now just repeat that process, but now without closing that case. So click and hold it. Now repeat again if it's not working properly. There we go. Now keep that case open with the both earbuds inside, and you should get pairing request right now on your device. And turn on Bluetooth like so. Wait for available devices. You can also refresh if you have such a feature on your device, and just be patient and take a look. Now they appears. So it's especially useful when you have some kind of the pairing issues. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.